Recall, pi is defined as the ratio of circumference EC to its diameter say d, that is pi is equal c by d. This seems to contradict the fact that pi is irrational. How will you resolve this contradiction? So pi is equal c by d formula is the relation between circumference and diameter relation. Okay. So what is the proof now? This seems contradicts fact that pi is irrational. Pi is irrational and proof chari. Okay, just to reason write the reason only. So let pi is equal 22 by 7 is only an approximate value. Pi is equal 22 by 7 is only approximate value. So and so we can't and so we can't and so we can't conclude that is in the form of rational. Rational. In fact, the value of pi, in fact, the value of pi calculating as non-terminating, non-recurring decimal as pi is equal 3.14159 and so on. So if we conclude or calculate the value of 22 by 7, it gives 3.142857 and so on. And hence, pi is not equal to 22 by 7. In conclusion, pi is an irrational number. Pi is an irrational number. So when you write pi is equal to 22 by 7, this is form of p by q, but expansion is non-terminating decimal or non-recurring decimal. That is pi equal 3.14159 and so on, or pi is equal 3.142857 and so on. So it is a non-terminating recurring decimal. Non-terminating recurring decimal. So if the remainder is not equal to 0, therefore pi is an irrational number. Right down. Represent square root 9.3 on the number line. So first, draw a line. First step 1, draw a line. Draw a line and take AB is equal 9.3 on it. So I will join the line. A, B. Just I will join A, B enough. Okay, next. From B as center, from B as center, from B as center, as a distance of 1 centimeter. This center A of distance of 1 unit. 1 unit. And mark C on the number line. And mark C. And mark C on the number line. On the number line. So I will mark C. The distance is 1 unit. And mark C. The distance is 1 unit. Next.
So 1 unit at
1 centimeter. Just. Meters or centimeters, that is called units. Anyone. Next. Make the midpoint AC. Make the midpoint. Make the midpoint AC as O. AC as O. So make the midpoint AC. AC midpoint is O. AC midpoint O. O is will take. Next, with O as center. With O as center. With O as center and OC as a radius. And OC as a radius. OC as a radius. Draw a semicircle. Next, we can draw a semicircle. Draw a semicircle. Okay, na? OA or OC is radius. Draw a semicircle. Maybe draw a semicircle. Draw a semicircle. Draw a semicircle. Okay, draw a half circle or semicircle. At B, next write the at B, draw a perpendicular. Draw a perpendicular to cut the semicircle. To cut the semicircle. To cut the semicircle at D. With B as center. To cut the semicircle. Perpendicular means 90 degree. We can draw perpendicular. We can draw perpendicular means 90 degree. At point D. At point D. At point D. With B as center. With B as center. With B as center. And BD as radius. BD as radius. Draw an arc. Draw an arc. Draw an arc to cut the number line. To cut the number line. To cut the number line at capital E. To cut the number line at capital E. So this is the draw the arc. Cut the number line E. Next, taking B as center. Taking B as center. B as the origin. Taking B as the origin, the distance.
Sir,
Mama, 1 minute.
అంటే
So,
ఎలా డ్రా
B,
పాయింట్
B
ఎక్కువ
is
పెట్టాలి.
taking point. Perpendicular means 90 degree.
ఓకే
90.
బీడీ లెంత్ తో
Hmm.
డి దగ్గర నుంచి ఆర్క్.
BD distance ma. Okay na? So using the protractor, draw the BD perpendicular line. Okay, at point D. BD distance use cheskoni oka arc draw chestam. One arc. Draw the arc E. Okay.
Okay.
So let write down. Next line. B as origin. Origin. The distance BE is equal square root of 9.3 అవుతుంది. BE distance square root of 9.3 units.
సార్
Okay.
ఈ
E represent.
సర్కిల్ చేయమంటే ఇట్లా.
Okay. Hence E represent 9.3. Hence E represent square root 9.3. Okay. So proof చేద్దాం. Next we go for proof. So proof AB is equal 9.3 units. BC equal to, will take 1 unit. 1 unit. How much AC? AC is equal, right? AB plus BC. So 9.3 plus 1, 1.0, that is 10.3 units. 10.3 units. OC is equal AC by 2. OC means O is the midpoint of AC. That means middle point. 10.3 by 2. So cancellation. 2 5 ja, 2 1 ja. Taking remainder is 3. 10 5 ja 10. 2 1 ja 2. Remainder is 1. Taking 0. 2 5 ja 10 units. 5.15 units. So you write the OB. OC minus BC. OC minus BC. OB value I have calculated. Total, okay, OB minus BC. Okay. So 5.15 minus 1. So subtracted directly 4.15 units. 4.15. So we observed in right angle triangle OBD. Angle B is equal 90 degree by Pythagoras triple line. By Pythagoras triple line or theorem. So find out BD value. So I will join OD. Find out Okay, BD square is equal BD square plus OB square is equal OD square. Square of hypotenuse equal to sum of square of other two sides. Find out BD square. OD square minus OB square. OD value 5.15 whole square minus 4.14 whole square. So I have simplification. A square minus B square form A plus B into A minus B. BD is equal 5.15 plus 4.14 into 5.15 minus 4.14. So finally simplification 9.3.
Sir,
Comma
sir,
5.15 plus 4.15. 15, sorry, OB value 1.5. So 9.3 finally BD square into 1. BD square equal 9.3. BD is equal root of 9. Verify. Okay. That is the BE also 9.3 is equal BE. Proved or verified. Okay. Write down. Write the next question. Very, very important. Rationalizing rationalize the denominators of the following. First question. 1 by root 7. 1 by root 7 minus root 6. Third one. 1 by root 5 plus root 2. 1 by root 7 minus 2. The first question. 1 by root 7. Rationalizing the denominator value. What is the denominator value? Root 7. So dividing and multiplying. So this type of questions. Only one number here. 1 by root 7 is the only one number. Okay, dividing and multiplying by root 7. So 1 by root 7, both numerator and denominator is multiplied by root 7. Root 7 by root 7 into root 7, root 7 whole square. That is the 2 root cancel. That is the value 7. Root 7 by 7. That is the value. Okay, write down.